I was made to long, not just for something, but for someone. I chased success, beauty, belonging, thinking they would fill me, but every desire I reached for faded in my hands. Then I saw it. Desire itself was not the problem. The problem was its direction. I was made to long in love, to be caught up in the love that has always been between the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Sin shattered that longing. It scattered my desires in every direction, pulling me toward things that could never hold me. But Christ came, not only to forgive my sins, but to restore my desire, to turn it back toward the one I was made for. Now, I do not feel longing, I welcome it, because it draws me home, and every desire that begins in Him will end in Him forever. I was made to long, and my longing belongs to God. Soli Deo Gloria.